Have you ever wondered how to get fresh and quality cucumbers right in your garden? Today we will discover the secret to growing cucumbers effectively from seeding to harvest. First, we need to choose quality cucumber seeds. Seeds should be purchased from reputable suppliers to ensure high germination rate and good resistance to pests. Then, the seeds are sown into the soil at a moderate depth, about 1 heater to 2 centimeter. To achieve the best results, sow seeds about 30-40 centimeters apart to ensure the plants have enough space to grow. After sowing the seeds, the next stage is to care for the young plants. This is an important step to ensure the plant grows strong and healthy. Care includes regular watering, proper fertilization, and protecting the plant from pests. Bees are indispensable companions in the process of growing cucumbers. Their role in pollination helps increase yield and quality of cucumbers. When the cucumbers have reached perfect maturity, farmers will harvest them. This is a stage that requires thoroughness and advanced technology to ensure the quality of the final product. On farms, automatic harvesting systems are used to save time and effort. Modern machinery harvests cucumbers quickly and efficiently. The automatic conveyor system helps transport cucumbers from the field to storage without damaging the fruit. These harvesters are equipped with sensors to detect and harvest ripe cucumbers, ensuring no fruit is missed. The use of modern technology in harvesting not only increases productivity, but also ensures cucumber quality. Thanks to the automatic harvesting system, cucumbers are harvested quickly and preserved better. On large farms, manual cucumber harvesting is no longer feasible due to its large scale and quantity. To optimize productivity and reduce labor, an automatic harvesting system has been implemented. This system includes modern machines with the ability to accurately and effectively identify and harvest ripe cucumbers. The harvester will move along the cucumber beds using optical sensors to identify ripe cucumbers. When it detects ripe fruit, the machine will use mechanical arms to gently cut the fruit from the tree, ensuring no damage to the fruit. A great benefit of an automatic harvesting system is the ability to operate continuously without need to rest, helping to optimize the harvesting process, especially during peak seasons. In addition, harvesting automation also minimizes human errors and losses, ensuring each cucumber is handled with care. Immediately after harvest, cucumbers are transported to the warehouse for inspection and preliminary processing before packaging and distribution. This process helps minimize post-harvest losses and ensures cucumbers are always fresh when they reach consumers. After fresh cucumbers are harvested from the field, they are shipped straight to the processing plant. Did you know that the cleaning step is one of the most important steps? Imagine, each cucumber is meticulously cared for to remove all dirt and pesticide residue. Here they go through an elaborate cleaning journey. Cucumbers are transferred into an industrial washing system. Here they will be soaked in a large saltwater bath. Salt water not only helps clean dirt, but also has a disinfectant effect, removing any impurities and bacteria that may be on the surface of cucumbers. You can imagine each cucumber rolling in the cool salt water, each tiny grain of salt gently cleaning the surface. After being washed, each cucumber is automatically transferred to the inspection table along the conveyor belt. Here, dedicated employees inspect each fruit one by one, ensuring that only the best, pest-free cucumbers are selected. Now we will enter the most interesting stage, preparing salted sliced cucumbers. This is the step that turns fresh cucumbers into crispy, delicious, pickled cucumber slices that everyone loves. After being sliced, the cucumbers will be transferred to a glass jar. Here, cucumbers will be soaked in a special salt solution containing secret spices that create the product's unique flavor. The soaking process lasts from 1 to 4 weeks. During this time, the cucumbers will absorb flavor and become crisp and delicious. After the salting process is completed, the cucumbers will be closed automatically. All work is handled by machines and is guaranteed to have no loopholes. Finally, these jars of pickled cucumbers are packaged and distributed. Thank you for watching the video. Hope you find it interesting and useful. Don't forget to press the like and follow buttons on Farm Zero channel to not miss other interesting videos.